Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. Link below for new, used, service, and parts. And we're checking out a Lance 1875 travel trailer. And this is a pretty darn, Lance makes a very nice camper. And the 1875 is no exception. Really a nice camper. We'll get inside and out of the noise here in a moment. Tandem axle. Here you can see the four-season badging, and really nicely laid out. I do want to show you the off-camp side. Nice ladder, very sturdy ladder to the rooftop, and then you have a single slide. You have additional storage here on the off-camp side. Let's get inside and get out of the noise. Place for an outdoor TV, kitchen. Well, I'm sorry, your outdoor kitchen or a table. Then we'll step inside, out of the noise. So we have a Murphy bed, and the Murphy bed is in a down position. Well, I'm sorry, it's in the up position. Haven't folded it down. We have task lighting on both sides. We have wardrobe cabinet on both sides. And well, I'll leave the light on here a second. I do want to show you, you have USB, 12 volt, residential, solar, nice long drawers. And then again, this is a Murphy bed, so it drops down and allows sleeping. On this side, you have additional place for a TV, your stereo. Here is your kitchen. I'm gonna turn off the light. Here's your light controls. And then above cabinet storage, as well as above cabinet microwave. And these are soft close or easy close cabinet doors. Nice, I'll show you the doors there. Nice stainless steel sink. And then you have your top for additional storage. We have hooks there for your key rings. Plenty of storage underneath. And then you have these slide bins for your utensils. Your water pump below. Go ahead and close that up. Nice size oven. And as I already showed you, the microwave, 3-burner cooktop. We're gonna back up on this side. So you have a nice size cabinet to the right of your refrigerator. And then here is your water heater. Plenty of room for maintenance. You can reach things there, so it's not all jammed in there and cramped. Nice size refrigerator and freezer. Not real deep, but very easy to access. And then what I really like is you have this drop down area in the freezer. That comes in handy when you turn the power off and you have a meltdown. So very large U-shaped dining. And then check that out. That is a deep drawer, both deep depth here as well as depth there. And then again, I showed you the outside storage when we were on the outside. So that cabinet is in the U-shaped part of the dining. So here's your flat screen TV. Then you have JBL stereo, a very nice fireplace. And then we'll step into the bathroom, a very bright bathroom, nice shower enclosure. You also have your water saver, your commode, nice, very beautiful bowl on your sink. So that is the Lance 1875 travel trailer. And as I said at the beginning, Lance really makes a very nice travel trailer. They make very nice everything, whether it's their campers, camper on a camper shell on a pickup, or the Lance travel trailer like we're looking at right now. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate the support. Leave a question, comment below, and we'll catch you on the next video.